Virtualization in both persistent and non-persistent environments has been challenging. Many apps don't work well, and the different user experience of remote and local applications is confusing. Now, with Windows Virtual Desktop, you can deliver the best Office 365 propless experience with multi-session virtual scenarios to provide the most productive, virtualized experience to your users. New profile container technology enables faster load times for user profiles for key apps like Outlook, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. It supports persistent and non-persistent environments, and Office apps installed locally and remotely behave the same way. Deliver an unmatched Office 365 propless experience with Windows Virtual Desktop.